Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 17th May. Let's start. In the year of 1749, the world famous scientist Edward Jenner was born. He invented the smallpox vaccine. In the year of 1769, on this day the East India Company imposes several restrictions to on the weavers to ruin Bengal's textile industry. In the year of 1861, on this day, Scottish scientist James Clerk Maxwell shows the first colour photograph of the Tutton Ribbon in London to the Royal Institutions. In the year of 1953, on this day, Hindi cinema's character actress Preeti Ganguly was born. In the year of 1969, on this day, World Telecommunication Day is observed annually from 1969 to 17 May. It symbolizes the establishment of the International Telecommunication Union and the signing of the first International Telegraph Convention in Paris in 1865. On this day, in the year of 1975, Junko Tawai of Japan became the first woman to climb Mount Everest. In the year of 1987, on this day, Sunil Gavaskar retired from Test cricket. In the year of 2000, on this day, Federalists, the upper house of the Russian parliament, ratified the nuclear test ban treaty. In the year of 2002, on this day, dead American journalist Daniel Pearl's body recovered from the necropolis in Pakistan. In the year of 2004, on this day, Massachusetts becomes the first US state to legalize same-sex marriage. In the year of 2005, on this day, the World Hypertension League launched its first World Hypertension Day on 14 May 2005. World Hypertension Day is observed on 17 May. The WHD was named and initiated by the World Hypertension League. The day was started to raise awareness about high blood pressure. In the year of 2007, on this day, the fourth round of India-Pakistan composite dialogue commences in Rawalpindi. In the year of 2009, on this day, the video game Minecraft was released to the public at the same time as it was first made. In the year of 2010, on this day, Indian boxers won all six gold medals of the Commonwealth Boxing Championship. Vijender Kumar won the Best Boxer award in the competition, while host India also won the team championship with the highest 36 points. In the year of 2010, on this day promoting the country's oldest traditional sports Kabaddi, the Punjab government announced to hold the Kabaddi World Cup next month. In the year of 2010, on this day, a bench of Justice M. Kumar and Justice Jatinder Chauhan of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, on the plea of Joginder Kaur, held PGI Chandigarh guilty of disregarding the acts related to disability, saying, on the basis of disability on the job, an employee can be found cannot be denied service benefits. In such circumstances, he can be replaced on the post of equal benefit. In the year of 2010, on this day, the Indian Army tested a Agni-2 missile capable of carrying out a nuclear attack from the integrated test range at Wheeler's Island, Odisha. This missile can hit up to 2000 kilometers. Agni-2 was co-created by the Defence Development and Research Organisation Laboratories and Bharat Dynamics, Hyderabad. In the year of 2014, on this day, C.P. Krishnan Nair, India's famous hotel industrialist and founder of Hotel Leela Group, passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, Jack Ma of Alibaba resigns from SoftBank's board of directors. The official reason for Ma's resignation has not yet been revealed. In the year of 2020, as the part of India's economic package of 20 lakh crore rupees, the government called for privatization of all public sector undertaking in India's non-strategic areas. That's all. Thanks for watching.